I'm going to walk you through Sortly Inventory Management, a super user-friendly tool for managing and organizing inventory. Whether you're running a small business, managing personal collections, or just need a way to keep track of things efficiently, Sortly has you covered. In this guide, we're diving deep into the world of Sortly to show you how to get started, navigate the platform, and unlock all its features. We'll cover every essential detail, but don't worry, it's all broken down step by step so it's easy to follow along. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to use Sortly like a pro. Let's get started. The first step in using Sortly is setting up your account. Start by visiting the Sortly website. It's easy to find by typing Sortly into your browser. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean, modern interface with a prominent button encouraging you to start a free trial. This trial is perfect for testing the platform before committing to a paid subscription. Of course, if you're feeling confident, you can jump straight into a monthly or annual plan, but the trial gives you a no-risk opportunity to explore the features. Clicking on the free trial will initiate the sign-up process, which is refreshingly straightforward. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and a password. During the setup, Sortly might also ask a few questions to tailor your experience. For instance, it will inquire whether you're managing inventory for personal use or business purposes. You can also add your business name and briefly describe the types of assets or products you plan to track. This helps Sortly optimize your dashboard. Once your account is ready, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. At first glance, it might look a little bare, but that's only because it's waiting for you to upload your inventory. The platform offers a quick start guide to help you get organized. You can immediately start adding items manually or import an existing inventory list if you have one. Additionally, you'll see options to customize categories, assign QR codes, and even integrate photos of your items. The free trial not only gives you access to essential tools but also lets you experiment with Sortly's advanced features, like generating reports or managing user permissions for teams. It's a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the platform's capabilities and decide whether it's the right fit for your needs. The Sortly dashboard is your command center, where all inventory management takes place. The design is sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it easy to dive right in, even if you're new to inventory tools. Here's what you'll find when you first open it. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a quick snapshot of your inventory. This includes the total number of items, folders, and their overall value. It's perfect for getting a high-level view of your assets without digging into details. Folders are a standout feature on the dashboard. These act like digital shelves, helping you categorize your inventory into manageable groups. For example, you can create folders for different product categories, storage locations, or departments. This makes navigating large inventories a breeze. This section keeps you updated on any changes to your inventory, such as items that were added, removed, or adjusted. It's especially useful if you're working with a team and want to stay informed about updates made by others. Here, you'll find the newest additions to your inventory. Whether you've just uploaded a batch of items or manually added a few, this section makes it easy to keep track of what's fresh. One of the most practical features is the stock levels section. It highlights items with low or critical stock levels, helping you quickly address shortages before they become an issue. Beyond these features, the dashboard provides easy access to tools like the bulk import function, QR code generation, and search functionality. You can also switch between tabs to view reports, adjust settings, or create custom categories. The dashboard's simplicity ensures you spend more time managing your inventory effectively, and less time figuring out the software. Let's dive into the fun part, adding items to your inventory. Sortly makes this process incredibly straightforward, while also giving you plenty of options to customize the details of each item. Here's how to get started and make the most of this feature. To begin, locate the Add Item button on the dashboard. This opens up a form where you'll enter all the details about the item you want to track. Whether you're managing a few personal items or a large business inventory, the process is flexible enough to suit your needs. Here's a breakdown of the fields you'll fill out. Item name. Start with a clear name for the item. For instance, if you're managing office supplies, you might call it printer ink or stapler. If you're tracking retail products, it could be wireless headphones. Add the current stock count. For example, if you have 30 units, enter 30. This ensures your inventory remains accurate. Set a threshold for low stock alerts. Let's say you want to be notified when your stock drops below 10 units. Just input 10. This is a lifesaver for avoiding unexpected shortages. Input the price per item or its total value. This is useful for keeping track of your inventory's financial worth. Upload one or more images of the item. This is especially helpful when managing multiple similar items, as it provides a visual reference to prevent confusion. Use this to track variations. For example, if you're managing running shoes, you can specify sizes 7, 8, 9, and colors like black, white, red. This keeps everything neat and organized. Add searchable tags, such as electronics, furniture, or seasonal items. This makes locating items a breeze. This is where Sortly truly stands out. Create fields for specific data like serial numbers, warranty periods, supplier information, or purchase dates. Customization ensures that you're tracking exactly what matters most to you. Once all the details are in, click Save or Add. Your item will now appear in your inventory, ready to be managed. You can also assign it to a folder, making it easier to organize by category, location, or department. With features like minimum stock alerts, custom fields, and visual references, Sortly not only keeps your inventory accurate but also streamlines the entire process. No more guesswork or digging through spreadsheets. Everything you need is in one place, easy to access and manage. Now that you've added an item, let's talk about organizing your inventory using folders. Folders are a fantastic way to categorize and group your items, making it much easier to navigate and manage your inventory efficiently. Think of them as virtual shelves or bins, simple yet incredibly effective for keeping everything in order. Folders can be customized to suit your specific needs. Here are some popular ways to organize your inventory. By location. Perfect if your inventory is spread across multiple places. For example, create folders like main warehouse, retail store, storage unit, or even home office. This helps you quickly locate items based on where they're stored. Group items by type, such as clothing, electronics, office supplies, or tools. This is especially helpful for businesses with diverse product lines. By condition, for items that vary in quality or usability, you can create folders like brand new, pre-owned, or damaged. This is ideal for resale businesses or equipment management. By project or event, if you're tracking items for a specific purpose, like a marketing campaign or a trade show, create a folder for that project to keep everything in one place. Creating a folder is incredibly simple. Click Add Folder. This option is usually found on your dashboard or within an existing folder. Use a clear, descriptive name like Spring Collection or Office Furniture. Upload a picture for easy visual identification. For instance, a photo of the warehouse or a sample product. Include tags like urgent, seasonal, or fragile for easier searchability later. Once your folder is created, you can start adding items to it directly. Drag and drop items into the folder or use the Add to Folder option when editing an item's details. Need more organization? Sortly allows nested folders, meaning you can create subfolders within folders. For example, under clothing, you could have subfolders for men's, women's, and kids. Folders don't just keep your inventory tidy, they save you time. Whether you're looking for a specific item or conducting an inventory check, having a clear folder structure makes everything more efficient. Plus, the ability to nest folders gives you unlimited possibilities for customizing your system to fit your exact needs. If you're dealing with a substantial inventory, adding items one by one can feel overwhelming. Thankfully, Sortly's bulk import feature makes it easy to upload your inventory all at once. This tool is a lifesaver if you're transitioning from another system or starting fresh with a large inventory list. With just a few steps, you can have your entire inventory ready to manage in Sortly. Sortly simplifies the process by providing a pre-formatted template for your data. This ensures everything aligns properly when you upload your spreadsheet. Here's how to get started. Download the template, navigate to the bulk import section in Sortly and download their template file. It's formatted specifically for easy integration with the platform. Open the template in your preferred spreadsheet tool. Add all relevant information for your inventory items, such as item names, wireless mouse, desk lamp, quantities in stock, minimum stock levels, prices or values, categories or locations, custom fields like serial numbers, purchase dates, or product descriptions. Ensure there are no typos, formatting issues, or missing fields. This will help avoid errors during the upload process. Go back to Sortly, upload your completed file, and the system will automatically populate your inventory. The bulk import feature is a huge time saver. Imagine having hundreds or even thousands of items to track. Manually entering them would take hours or days. Whether you're onboarding data from another inventory tool or setting up Sortly for the first time, bulk import reduces setup time dramatically. Plus, if you've been managing inventory in tools like Excel, this process ensures a smooth transition without the headache of starting from scratch. Once your inventory is uploaded, you can begin using Sortly's features to organize, track, and optimize your system effortlessly. One of the standout features of Sortly is its ability to send automated alerts and reminders, ensuring you're always on top of your inventory without needing to constantly monitor it. These notifications are highly customizable and can be tailored to fit your specific needs, making inventory management both proactive and stress-free. For businesses handling items with expiration dates, like food products, pharmaceuticals, or event tickets, Sortly's expiration reminders are invaluable. Simply add the expiry date when you log the item into your inventory, and Sortly will notify you ahead of time. For example, if you're managing perishable goods, you'll get a reminder a week or two before the items expire, giving you ample time to take action. Beyond stock levels and expiration dates, you can create custom alerts for other important tasks. For example, set reminders for upcoming restocks or supplier orders. Create notifications for equipment maintenance schedules. Track warranty periods or service dates for specific assets. These alerts not only save time but also prevent costly mistakes. Instead of constantly checking your inventory manually, You can rely on Sortly to notify you when something requires attention. This feature is especially useful for busy businesses juggling multiple priorities, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Whether it's replenishing stock, avoiding expired goods, or staying on top of maintenance, Sortly's alerts keep your inventory running smoothly. Imagine running out of a key product right before a busy season. With Sortly, you can set minimum stock levels for each item in your inventory. For instance, if you're managing office supplies, you might set a minimum level of 10 for printer paper. When the stock dips below this threshold, Sortly automatically sends you a notification. This feature helps you stay ahead of shortages and ensures you always have enough stock on hand. Sortly also has a mobile app for iOS and Android, so you can manage your inventory on the go. The app syncs with your main account, giving you access to all your data from anywhere. You can even use your phone's camera to scan barcodes or QR codes for quick item updates.